Greetings, fellow seekers of knowledge. Today, we embark on a fascinating expedition into the labyrinthine corridors of education intertwined with the pulsating heart of artificial intelligence. Join us as we discover the top majors to study if you want to pursue a career in artificial intelligence. Our journey commences with the venerable discipline of computer science. Here, you'll plunge into the very bedrock of AI, delving into the intricacies of algorithms, coding, and software development that animate the enchanting world of artificial intelligence. From shaping sophisticated neural networks to refining machine learning algorithms, computer science becomes the alchemical crucible where AI concepts metamorphose into breathtaking realities. Venturing further, we encounter the captivating realm of mathematics and statistics. Within its domain lies the power to unlock the secrets concealed within colossal datasets. As AI feasts on data, this major equips you with the sorcery of numbers, enabling you to extract insights, discern patterns, and unravel the mysteries that underpin AI's transformative potential. But that's not all. Prepare to enter the realm of data science, where puzzles evolve into enigmatic tapestries waiting to be deciphered. In this realm, you become the architect of meaning, the decipherer of patterns hidden amidst complexity. Data science arms you with the finesse to glean profound conclusions from seemingly chaotic data, providing the bedrock for the AI wonders of tomorrow. Engineering, in its myriad forms, also beckons from the horizon of possibilities. From the grandeur of electrical and mechanical engineering to the symphony of software design, this major is the anvil upon which your creative ideas forge AI-powered marvels. Concepts like robotics and autonomous systems become second nature, as engineering transforms into the conduit through which AI innovation surges. The captivating enigma of cognitive science. Here, the human mind takes center stage as you explore the labyrinthine corridors of human cognition. This major equips you with insights into human reasoning, perception, and problem solving, all pivotal elements in crafting AI that not only mimics, but also profoundly interacts with human thought processes. However, our journey's compass doesn't point solely to majors. It extends to the interplay between education, practical experience through internships, passion-fueled projects, and the intricate art of networking. Real-world applications, exemplified by the ingenious AI-driven chatbots we've encountered, bridge the chasm between theoretical paradigms and practical marvels. These projects are your canvas to paint the AI landscape with your ingenious strokes, weaving the academic with the pragmatic and forging the link between theoretical mastery and transformative real-world impact. Whether your passion for AI resides in the captivating abstractions of mathematics, the practical elegance of engineering, or the profound depths of the human psyche, there's a major awaiting you, a gateway to the enigmatic world of AI. Beyond education, it's a pilgrimage towards shaping the very tapestry of AI's future. As you step onto this path, armed with knowledge and fortified by determination, you become a steward of AI's destiny, a seeker of its truths, and a sculptor of its possibilities. With each major you embrace, each lesson you learn, you hold the key to unlocking AI's mysteries and ushering in its transformation. Your journey into AI's realm is more than academic achievement. It's about pioneering the uncharted territories and pushing the frontiers of possibilities. Embark on this intellectually stimulating journey, where each step taken is a stride towards unraveling the enigmatic potential of artificial intelligence. With each major you embrace, each lesson you learn, you hold the key to unlocking AI's mysteries and ushering in its transformation. Step into the future with us, unravel the layers of AI's potential, and leave an indelible mark on the course of technological evolution. As you delve deeper into the AI realm, your every discovery illuminates a path towards innovative solutions, transforming society's future landscape. The journey is yours to embark, a voyage into AI's heart, where the fusion of knowledge, passion, and innovation craft tomorrow's realities. Harnessing the power of AI is not just about understanding its complexities, but also about using its potential to reshape our world. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and tap that notification bell for more riveting explorations into the kaleidoscopic realm of AI. As you tread forth, Keep your curiosity ablaze and your spirit unwavering, for you're setting sail on a journey that will redefine the world.